Electric vehicles only work in the city. You can't go on a cross-country trip. Let's debunk that myth. We are at my home in Kingston. This is a BYD tank ordered from us for 10.5 million Jamaican dollars. We are loaded and we're leaving. We're going to Montego Bay. So we're starting with 100% at the end of the North Coast Highway now. 98%. Going up the hill. Going down the hill now. Because this is an electric vehicle. It's actually recharging the batteries. And the highway is now done. 77%. Gilani. Welcome to Montego Bay. 67% in the battery. Been in Montego Bay 2 days now. Just plugged out the car. Today we're going to Kingston. Then from Kingston to Port Antonio, Morant Bay way. 94% in the battery now, thanks to our little trickle charge. We didn't get 100% because we've been driving up and down Mobay. We're back in Kingston from Montego Bay. We're about 61% in the battery now. We're in Kingston here, run a couple of errands. We charge up the battery a little bit. We're 55% now. Switch vehicles. Vehicle will still be making the trip. Will be driven by this person here. I'll be driving this vehicle, RD6 pickup truck, fully electric.
We're passing the salt pond. 9 kilometers from Montego Bay. Beautiful. Big trunk. Would you look at this?
Quarter to 7, we're at Boston Jerk. 35% in the battery. It's 8 p.m. Came from Montego Bay, we went to Kingston, and from Kingston we came all the way to Port Antonio. Let's see how much we have left in the battery. Home sweet home with 27% left in the battery. After a long day on the road, myth debunked.